friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn a fun and practical Microsoft Word session. We will learn how to add header, add footer, insert page numbers, add images, create tables. So, open your Microsoft Word and let's start. First, open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on Header. Choose a style from the list, like blank. Austin. Click inside the header area at the top of the page. Now type your header text. For example, my school. You can also format it. Change the font, size, and color. Wow! Your header is now visible at the top of every page. A footer is the bottom part of a page. To add a footer, go to the Insert tab. Click on Footer. Choose a style. Now type something. For example, your name. Good job! Your footer will also appear on all pages. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on Page Number. Now choose where you want the page numbers to appear, such as top of page, bottom of page, or page margins. Next, select a style from the list. Now let's insert an image. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Pictures. When you click on Pictures, you will see two options, Pictures and Online Pictures. Click on Pictures to choose an image from your computer. Select the image you want, and click Insert. If you click on Online Pictures, you can search for images on the internet. Type a keyword, like tiger. Select the image and click Insert. Your image is now in the document. To resize the image, drag the corners. To move the image freely, right-click on the image. Click on Wrap Text. And choose Square. Now let's create a table. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Table. Select the number of rows and columns. For example, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now you can type inside the boxes. You can also change colors and borders. To change the border color, right-click on the table. Click on Table Properties. Go to Borders and Shading. Choose the color you want. You can also change the width and style of the border if you like. Click OK to apply the changes. Friends, practice these steps at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Bye bye.